What's up guys, it's your girl Seynt here from Seynt.com. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repost Instagram stories that you've been tagged in, so stay tuned. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you. I make a lot of how-to videos on Instagram, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So I'm going to use two of my accounts to show you what it looks like when you're tagged in and to show you what it looks like when it has been reposted. So let's start off with this account here. I'm just going to take a photo, and so to tag someone, you can either hit the sticker icon where it says mention. You can probably put a person's Instagram handle there, or if not, you can just manually type it yourself, and that will still tag that person. So once I've done that, I'm just going to post it onto my stories. So I'm just going to wait for a couple of seconds while it uploads. While it's doing that, I'm going to go into my other account and show you what it will look like. So now I've got a notification in my DM to say that I've got a message. So once I've hit that, I can see that the other account has mentioned me in the story, and once I go in there, I'll have the option that says add this to your story. So now you can go ahead and tap onto that. I'm going to go into my other account. You can see here it has been reposted. You also get like a notification to say that your story has been reposted as well. Alright, that's how you repost an Instagram story that you've been tagged in. So if you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. But that's all from me for now, and I will see you on the next one.